There are certain moments that mark the beginning of the holiday season. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Starbucks raging the war on Christmas, and of course your Uncle Vernon talking crap about the homeless at Thanksgiving dinner.
I'll tell you how to fix the homeless problem right now. Put them in jail. They got a house. Ba-boom! Those homeless folks are a lazy bunch of good-for-nothings. They don't want to work. And it's not just the homeless you got to worry about. It's the darn poors. Always living off the welfare, and you know every one of them's on drugs. And don't even get me started on old bummer. Trump 2016! Woo!
See, Uncle Vernon is completely ignorant. You know what he needs? A damn education. And that's why I wrote this book, Chasing the Mouse, which chronicles my family's journey of overcoming poverty and homelessness when I was a child. It's packed full of anecdotes and facts to be able to knock your Uncle Vernon right in the fields. So this holiday season, give your family the gift of a roundhouse kick straight to the heart. So to all you heathens out there, a happy holidays, and to Starbucks, Merry Christmas.